Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to create a table using HTML language. I'm going to use HTML5 to begin it. Open tab, write HTML5, start with doc type. Doc type should be in capital letter. Doc type HTML, then write HTML in small letters. HTML, hypertext markup language. Then open tag, write HTML, close tag, write header. After HTML, write header, open tag header. Body. Before the body, you have to write the title. Before the body, go back, click here and write the title. Let's write title. Let's say our title is column group. We are creating a table using the column group. Then close the title. You close the tag by putting backslash, then title, then type title, close. After that, you have to close the header as well. So now on body, you can also write H2. That means like a font size. We have H1, H2, H3. If you want your font size to be big, you can use H1. If you want to be at least smaller, you use H2. We have H3 and up to H6. For this case, I'm going to use H2. Here's a font size. Don't worry about that. Then write what I want to appear on my table as a head. This is just an example. Let's say example of column group. I'm write example of column group. Then close the tag by writing H2, then close. After writing that, start creating our table. Open the tag, write table. Then I want to put the border my table, and write equal. Open the quotation mark. I want my border to be 1. You can put 2. Close. Then now open the column again. Column group and the column group. Then after opening the column group, right, you can style your column group. Right, column. Put the space. Then write style equals. Then open quotation mark and write background. I want to put the background color on my column group. I put my column on. I put my background color hyphen, then write color. Make sure the spelling is correct. Full color. Then I write the color that I want. Let's say I want my column group to appear green. Write green. Then close. Then width. The width is, you can choose. Is it you want to put to be 50, 60? Let's say width is equal. Open quotation mark. Then write the number that either on my case I write 40. Then close. Again, go to want to style the column still. I write column. Then expand this. Expand mean spacing of the table. Then write equal. Open the quotation mark. Then write 2. Close. Style. Then equal. Open quotation mark. Background color, full color. Then the background color that you want. For my case, I just want to write a pink color. I'll write this on the color that you want to appear on your table. 22. You can you can check the color first before you put this code. Then you select the code that you want, or you can just write directly instead of using coding for color. 72. Then equal, open, you close. Before equal, just close quotation mark. Then write with equal. You can either put 100 or 80, 90. Let's say 80. First you have to open quotation mark, then write 80, then close. Remember always to make sure where the quotation mark you open, you have to close. You have to close when you open. After that, now let's close our column group that we open here. So now we can close our column group here by saying writing tag, then column group close. That means we have closed our column group. So now we have to write a tr. Tr mean you limit this term td, tr, th. Td table data, tr divide the table rows, th divide the table header. So let's start with the table rows. TR, open tag. TR, we open the tag, then open another tag again, write TH, which is table header, then write the number. SR is like serial number, write the serial number of your product. This is where you will insert the serial number below that. Then close TH. Another one, open TH, then you write product. Then close TH, open TH, price, close TH. Make sure remember to close all these when you are working with TH. This like a header. Those are the header. On your table, you will have something like a head of, you will have a serial number, products, and price. And now later when we insert the data under the serial number, the number will appear there. The product names, the price, the amount, it will appear there. So let's go back to use your TR table rows. Remember, TR is table rows, divine table rows. Now we are closing table rows, TR. After closing TR, we can save and see how our table look like. Let's close our, let's say, go to file, then choose the appropriate name for your table. Let's say test table. Just the name that I just want to, that I can remember to use. Write the extension file, which is HTML. HTML. You can search for extension file there on the list, or you can just write .html. Then choose the location where you want to save your document. Let's say I want to save this document on desktop. I click desktop, then save. Now let's run to see our fast, how far we are, if this is working. Go to run, click on there. You can as well use Shift 5, then select the program where our document is. It was on the desktop. We can search test table is here. Click, then open. For opening, click run. Yes. Example of column group. You can see our header and it is in black. We have serial number. See the color green. If I want to change the color, it will appear there any color that you wish. We have product and price. You can put more and more as you wish your table, the way you want your table to appear. So let's continue now. Let's insert the data on serial. We insert the products, we insert the price. We insert the price, sorry. Let's go back to our coding. On this case, we are using Notepad++. You can also use Visual Studio as well. It's the same. For me, I'm using this. I like using Notepad++. Now let's open another tab, TR. Then we have to write now TD. TD mean like table data. You enter the data. It's just like when you're using a database, you have to create the table, then you enter the data. Even here, you have to create the rows, you have to create the table. Now you insert the data. TD, open the tab, write TD, then one, the number. Now, just like you can write anything that you wish, like or one B or one what, or not necessarily one, the serial number for that product. That's what I mean. Then close TD. Make sure you put the backslash, please. Remember always to put the backslash, then write the TD, close another TD, open the tag TD, let's say number 2 or any, close TD. No, sorry, here you have to write product name, not background, sorry. Product's name, let's say banana. Then TD, I open another tab TD, I write what? Price of the banana, let's say 20 shilling, 20. Close the TD, so instead of me continuing writing, wasting your time, you can just copy paste this up here. First you have to, or you can run as well and save the changes and see what is happening before you continue. Run. Yes, you can see serial number 1. We have product, which is banana. Price 20 shilling. Wow, that's good. You can continue now. Go back to code and continue writing. Instead of writing, let's just copy. I can copy this and edit instead of me writing. I can edit here, put number 2, serial number, mango. I put here the product is mango. Price of mango is how much? Let's say 80 per kg, 85. Another one. Let's say number 3, orange, 10 shilling. Number four, which product can we write there? We have banana, we have mango, we have orange. Here, let's say apple or apple. Let's say 30 shilling. Then run. Save. Make sure always you save before you run so that you can reflect. And see is there. We have banana, 20 shilling, mango, 85. We have orange, 10 shilling, apple or apple at shilling. You can continue inserting more data as you wish. Always that close TR. Don't forget to put TR at the end of this here. Make sure you close TR. TR. And here, close the TR. Even here, close the TR. Yes, always make sure you close the TR. Anything that you open, you have to close. Then save the changes. Go back to run. Yeah. After doing that, you have also to close the table, then close the body and close the HTML itself. Put the space, backslash, table, backslash, then HTML. Make sure you put the backslash. Then save the changes, go back and run. That is our table. You can see the color. I put green, I put orange. Let's say if you want to change the color, you go back where we put our styling. On green color, right? That's a yellow. I just want you to see the difference. Then click run. Yes, that's the difference. You can even change the color code. Let's put 80. Let's put in this one. See the color code. Yes, that is it. Thank you for your time. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like for more content.